Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about the training process and job nature for the initial days in medical coding. Disclaimer for this video. All the information shared in this video are general and not trying to mention any particular organization. In common, what most of the companies were following, I have collected those information from multiple sources and sharing this video for your use. So come on buddies, let's get into our video. Once you have done with your medical coding interview and got selected, you will receive an offer letter. You can see joining date, work location, designation and salary details mentioned over there. So you need to report your office on your joining day at the mentioned time. So we need to check the dress code from HR for the first day. Mostly formals will be preferred. On day 1, many general things will take place. So we'll see one by one. First one is documentation. So your educational documents, address proofs and other documents will be verified. Then that particular company's policies and other steps will be explained by HR or any spokes. So if you see in every corporate company there are many departments. For example, IT, admin and finance. For each of the department, any one executive will come and will explain their roles and responsibility. Once this process has been done, to create your salary account, executive from the bank will come and help you for the same, so that you will be getting the salary on the same account. From day 2, training will be started. The training scope is to teach you regarding the medical coding. So usually the training will take time from 20 days to 45 days. Once this training has been completed, the final assessment will be given and everyone should meet the minimum expectation. Some of the organizations are providing daily assessment as well in order to track the performance on the daily basis. Once you clear the final assessments, you will be moved to the project. So now training completed, also you have cleared your final assessment. So now you will be informed to whom you are going to report. You need to meet your team lead or manager to know about your job. Once you move to the floor, again the project specific training will be provided. Then one more assessment will be conducted. Post that, you need to sit with senior and observe the process. So this shadow process may take the place when the time of training or post training. Once you started your live production, so from day 1 you need to stick with your ramp up plan. Ramp up plan means for new users to reach the highest target what seniors are doing, they will give some time to achieve that. Example, if your senior's target is 150 charts per day, they will assign some 30 to 40 charts for first week. Then every week they will increase the target very gradually. So this ramp up plan will be differ from project to project and organization to organization. In most of the medical coding organizations, training process and job nature will be followed like the way I explained. Here and there some changes might be there. Apart from that, things are same only. I have posted 4 videos in YouTube on the topic of medical coding for beginners. I hope those videos were helpful for you guys to know about medical coding. If you feel that this will be helpful for others, please share our video, and if you are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for the instant notifications. Thank you for watching buddies. Take care. Bye bye.